You can't develop a strong SEO strategy when your data is less accurate than online personality quizzes. Worst of all, you're still pulling data from multiple platforms, which is a huge waste of money when that info isn't even reliable. You need a single platform packed with precise and actionable insights that make it simple to optimize your SEO strategy. Meet Serpple. What is Serpple? Serpple is an SEO toolkit that boosts site ranking with accurate keyword tracking, insights, and competitive intel. With Serpple, you get an overview of your SEO ranking on one comprehensive dashboard that breaks down your data in a way that's easy to understand. You'll be able to access keyword positions, performance, search volume, and more actionable insights. That means you can ditch the outdated tracking software and start developing SEO strategies that actually work. Serpple lets you track key metrics for your targeted keywords, including changes in keyword positions over time. You'll also be able to segment your keywords and monitor fresh ranking data for all of them with lists or grids. Using real-time insights into how your keywords are performing, you'll be able to adjust your strategy on the fly. You can use autocomplete predictions to conduct in-depth keyword analysis and refine your search with related keywords. This SEO platform monitors metrics like search volume, ranking, and trending topics for each keyword. And you can see how many advertisers are bidding on keywords and identify keywords with high conversion rates and ROI. You can set up customizable email notifications to keep tabs on your website's ranking and other important metrics. Choose the frequency and content for those reports so you never miss any changes to your site's performance. You'll also be able to send team members and clients curated notifications directly to their inboxes, keeping everyone informed. When you're working with half-baked SEO tools, you're leaving a lot up to chance. Lucky for you, Serpple gives you real-time data and actionable insights on your keywords, site performance, and competitors. Why are you late? Get lifetime access to Serpple today. One-time purchase of $69 only.
Hey guys, welcome to the Serpple platform. Thank you so much for considering our tool to leverage your organic growth. And for the sake of this video, kindly consider me as your Serpple's guide today. Once you have created a new account or is logged into an existing one, this is the place where you will gonna land on. We name this as an all project section. Basically, this all project section available within the Serpple platform will give you a glimpse of how each and every projects in the Serpple account is performing. So this Serpple score, improve, decline, and first position, these metrics are dynamic and it will refresh each and every day based on the performance of each and every projects available within your account. Okay. Now moving on to the next section, which is dashboard. This dashboard is particular for each and every project available within your account. You can toggle between this, you can switch between these projects using this drop down. So there are a lot of graphs and the data available within this dashboard section. And also this dashboard section is completely customizable. Let's say I don't want this trending keyword section to be shown within my dashboard. So you can hide them by using this manage widget option. You have to search for trending keywords. Just toggle off this section. This setting will be updated automatically and go back to your dashboard. You won't see them anymore. How cool is that, right? So you can completely customize your dashboard based on your needs. Like what is the data that you have to, like you want to see, right? That this is what our dashboard is all about. And there are a lot of other data available within this thing, and we're gonna see that in separate a video. And our next section will be like keyword ranking. This is the place where you will gonna get the overall data of how your keyword is performing in an SEO, right? And this overview section will give you the complete glimpse of like the total performance of your keywords available within the Serpple for any given project. You can toggle on, you can switch between this project using this drop down again, and you can hide this overview section if you don't want to see them anymore. You can make them show again. Like it's completely based on your preference. Below that overview section, you will get a table view. Actually, it was supposed to be in a list view, but I'm really sorry. So in this table view, you will get a lot of like the whole data of how your in any given keyword available within your project is performing. Like what is their rank, what is their volume, what are these CRP elements that are available in this search engine results for any given keyword. There are a lot of steps available within this table section. You can choose the view of this section based on list and the grid. You can choose what is the column that has to be shown within this list option. So just play around so you'll get to know more about these stuffs. And our next module is competitor AI. We are calling this as a competitor AI because with the help of this AI, you will find any hidden competitors available within your SERP. Let's say you are focusing 20 keywords on your SEO project for any given website, and you might be aware of 3 to 4 available or else a popular competitor that you are already know. But there might be an emerging competitor who are also focusing 3 to 4 keywords that you might be focused as well. So with the help of our AI, you can find that competitor as well, and also you can match your available keywords with your competitors and how good are they performing, how good you are performing. Like you can compare the results here. Now, and our keyword research option, it is still under development. Next to keyword research is schedule report. So you will get the project performance report to your email ID, and you can customize this report based on 2 factors, like what is the format that you want to receive and how frequently you want to receive that report. So once you choose these 2 things and enter the email, your email or any other email, after clicking this create button, you will it will automatically send the report to that particular email with all the details. Next to that settings, this is the platform settings actually. In this platform settings, we have 2 options, which is notification and recipients. Notifications are like alerts. It's like an alerts, like whenever there is a change within your projects available inside this Serpple account, you will get notified via email. So there are a lot of factors here that you can choose. Let's say if there is any change in your Serpple score, right? The Serpple will automatically send you a mail like, hey dude, check your project, there's a change in your kind of a Serpple score or something. You will get an email similar to that. And you can add more recipients so that they will also get notified if there is any change, or else with this alert email and all. You can choose maximum 5 people to get notified within their email inbox. So this is it. This is all about Serpple for now, and we've been adding more modules like auditing, content analysis, and backlinks, and a lot of stuff there are about to come. I hope this video, you find this useful. Create a free account and add your keywords, add your project, and play with it a little bit. Let me know what you feel, so that it will really helpful for us to improve our platform to our users' need. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.